How do you pronounce these in PTE Read Aloud? The first is etc. We don't read it as etc. And the second is EG. We don't read it as for example. And the third, we read it as IE. We don't read it as that is. Again, next, 4 to 5. We don't read it as 4:5 or 4:5. The next, the years, we read it as 2020. We don't read it as 2020. Again, 1999. Again, the symbols, we call it as pounds, euros, dollars. And again, next, this we read it as I'll. We don't read it as I will. The next, isn't. We don't read it as is not. For more such tips, follow our YouTube channel, Gems Abroad.